Well, okay guys, look, it's been a while since I've done a reaction to PUTRI ARIANI's video. Like, it's been so long. But this song was released on my birthday, like the 24th of May. This track was released and that was my birthday. PUTRI has given me a birthday present. PUTRI, I want to say thank you so much for this track. I'm really excited to react to this track. And the title says, I will survive. Bro, that title is so deep, right? So without further ado, let's see what's up. Peace. Oh yes, not briefly, I'm a Jamaican. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. Okay guys, so let's dive in.
I want to say that we are powerful.
True.
We are unstoppable.
Hey. One thing I respect about this female is that she's very motivating. Very motivating, and I always listen to her speak. When she speaks in English, she always seems to motivate us, bro. And I admire that so much. To be honest, she's a very great person. She's a person who changes a lot of people's lives with her music. Based on the fact that she's blind, bro, she's seeing clearly. The vision that she's giving unto us, bro, is visionary, right? So this is a very superb female, trust me.
If there's any fail, rise. Rise again.
So true, bro. So true. We can't like encounter any form of failure and we tell ourselves that it's it, this is it. No. We have to rise again. 7 times rise, 7 times fall, bro. Trust me. That's always something to think on, bro. Trust me. It's like it's never ever ended that way, bro. Trust me. There's always something to life than we think. Trust me.
Because we always know that we will survive.
Facts. Facts. Whenever time we fall, just remember this. We will survive. The race is not for the swift, but who can endure it, bro?
At first I was afraid, I was petrified.
Ain't no freaking way. Ain't no way. Oh my god. Oh my god. I miss her voice so much. And here it is. Golden. Just golden.
Kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. But then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong.
Whoa. Oh. Boo, 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 boo. The queen. The queen, bro. She's a queen. Trust me.
And I grow strong. And I learn how to get along. And so you're back from outer space. I just walked in to find you here with that sad look upon your face.
The vocals are on point. Oh, it's standing. This song that she's performing now sounds.
I should have changed that stupid lock. I should have made you leave your key. If I'd have known for just 1 second, you'd be back to Puerto Rico. Now go.
She's rocking the stage, bro. Yo, hey, it's very good.
Walk out the door, just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore.
She's so good at this, bro. She's so good, right? And Gloria, I think you would be proud of her, right? You should sign her now, right? Give her a moment of herself so she could show the entire world even more that she's capable of doing this, bro. She's very good. No denying that, bro. No denying.
Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye? Did you think I'd crumble? Did you think I'd lay down and die? I will survive.
Beautiful song, beautiful performance, beautiful singing poetry. And yes, this is a well presented birthday gift. Ah, damn.
Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. I've got all my life to live, I've got all my love to give, and I'll survive.
I will survive. Yo, classical, just classical.
I will survive. Hey.
This is so exciting, right? Oh, she's just making it so excited. The people, the crowd's interaction, bro. They are enjoying themselves, bro. And this is what I like about PUTRI. She give us a song, we all do enjoy ourselves, bro. If she's performing on a stage or she give us an actual music by her, we all do enjoy, bro. This is the power of her, bro. She can rock the people's heart. Arguably, she is one of the best. Let's not say one of. She's the best singer in Indonesia, right? At her young age, at her stage now, she's the best singer in Indonesia right now, bro. Hands down with that. No cap.
It took all the string I had not to fall apart. Kept trying hard to mend the pieces of my broken heart. And I spent on so many nights.
Yo. Wow. This is quite a touching song, to be honest. I mean, like, she makes it sound so good, right? The way how she concept this, it is as if she's the one who wrote the song, bro. And this song is way old. Like, it's way old, right? Yo, PUTRI, you are a shining star, girl.
Just feeling sorry for myself, I used to cry. But now I hold my head up high and you see me. Somebody new.
Yo. I admire her voice so much. And I admire her performance very much.
I'm not the gen-up little person still in love with you. And so you feel like jumping in and
Boop. The vocals, bro, it's insanely good. PUTRI, you are a girl, bro. Trust me.
just expect me to be free. And I'm serving all my loving for someone who's loving me. Gonna go walk out the door.
Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. She brings joys to me, bro. She brings a lot of joy, bro.
Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye? Did you think I'd crumble?
Yo, she's so professional here, right? Look at her singing. Look at her playing the piano. Look at her making everyone so energetic, right? Look at her making everyone enjoying themselves, bro. This is way too good.
Did you think I'd lay down and die? I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive.
Trust me, this female, she's one in a million. She's one of a kind. She was built for this. She's a blessing person. Trust me.
I've got all my life to live. I've got all my love to give, and I'll survive. I will survive. Gonna go.
Oh, that was marvelous.
Walk out the door. Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore.
Yo, I love this, bro. I love this. I wish I could like this about 10 million times, bro, but I love this so much. This is way too professional.
Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye? Did you think I'd crumble? Did you think I'd lay down and die?
Yo, Putri. A solid 10 for me. You have done great. You are doing excellently. Damn.
How will survive? Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. I've got all my life to live, and
Yo, everyone who is watching this video now, right? Please let me know how are you all doing. I hope Putri ARIANI makes you all feeling blessed right now.
I got all my life to give. I'll survive. I'll survive. Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Buh, 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 buh. Yo, that is so good. Yo, excellent. A wonderful female. Wow. Wow. Superb. Yo, to be honest, that was enjoying. Pretty amazing. Look, if you guys did enjoy this reaction, subscribe for more Putri. I'll be happy to see what the next suggestion is, so I could check out her next song. I'll see you guys there. Peace. Leave a like, subscribe for more, share it to a friend, telling him or her about the Jamaican reactor. Take care, guys. I'll see you there.